Here's how to turn off activity status on Instagram. Right now, anyone you've ever sent a DM to on Instagram can see exactly when you were last online. That green bot under your name? It's on by default. Here's how to turn it off in 20 seconds. If this helps, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Thanks. Open the Instagram app and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the three lines in the top right. Scroll down and under How Others Can Interact with You, tap Messages and Story Replies. Now under the section that says Who Can See You're Online, tap Show Activity Status. Now toggle it off. That's it. Nobody can see when you were last active anymore, and you stop seeing theirs too. One thing to know, this works both ways. The moment you turn it off, you also lose the ability to see when other people are online. That's the trade-off. Most people are fine with it. Now here's the Genie tip. Under that same Who Can See You're Online heading, look right below Activity Status. You'll see Show Read Receipts. This controls whether people can see when you've read their DMs. Turn this off too. Now you can read messages on your own time without anyone knowing. No more pressure to reply the second you open a message. Both settings, same screen, done in under a minute. If this helped, subscribe. Every week I cover Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, and Android tips that most people never find on their own. Next up, I'll show you how to mute someone on Instagram without unfollowing them. No awkwardness, they never find out. It's right here.